Waalaikumsalam.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to tell you about my topic. Is an example of syllabus. Have you ever seen a syllabus? Because syllabus is an important thing for the teacher. Because without syllabus, we don't know the material that's being taught by us. And there is some component of syllabus. One is uh, standard competence. No, the first is course description. Description is the description or explanation about the course that being taught. And then after that, standard competence. Standard competence is the competence from the competence of the student that should be improved, that can gain by the curriculum. We can get it from the curriculum. And then after that, there is basic competence, which is the basic form from the standard competence. And then after that, there are learning experiences or learning activities. That is the description about the activities that we want to do by the students. And then after that, teaching materials is the material or the media of being taught. After that, there is time. It's the description of how long the course will be, and then the schedule. After that, there is tools and teaching resources. It means that from the material that we are taught to the students, what is the resources? For example, we teach them by using a book or presentation, something like that. And then there is an evaluation. Evaluation is the description of about the evaluation or the test after the course. We all know that some evaluation is not just written, but we can do it by orally. And then that's the last. You guys think that is the component of syllabus that have to be in the syllabus, because without the components, the syllabus isn't perfect. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.